In this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to apply a black and white filter to an image within Photoshop. You'll see on screen I have this lovely vector graphic of a frying pan containing some spaghetti and some lovely red sausage meatballs. What I can do here is I can take a bit of the colour and turn it into a black and white image by going up to Image and then going down to Adjustments and Black and White. And you'll see there's also a quick command for this. What this then does is basically turns it into a black and white image. Now you can choose a preset from here, or you can adjust the individual reds, yellows, greens, etc. by yourself. There's also the auto option as well. Now if I click OK, you'll see down here in the layers group, what's actually happened is it has applied this to the actual image itself. What I prefer to do is to create an adjustment layer and apply that effect to that layer, and then I can turn it on or off if I want to, or apply it to other images. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to go to layer at the top, and I'm going to go down to new adjustment layer, and then I'm going to choose black and white from this menu. And you'll see I've got the opportunity here to give it a name. I can change the opacity and stuff, but I'm going to just click OK for now. And what you'll see is we have our lovely colourful image has turned into a black and white image, but we can hide this layer and return to the original image. So instead of applying it to the image itself, it has created another layer and applied the black and white effect to that layer, and then we have the choice to turn this on or off.